Okay, so part one of the percents in the quote-unquote real world, actually using what we've been talking about in class, definitely has a lot to do with sales tax. Now, sales tax is added to the total cost of a sale, whether that's, it's typically in goods and services. So anytime you go to get your oil changed or um, um, at a restaurant, you're charged tax when you go and purchase clothes or any other products, you are charged sales tax. Now, typically, sales tax is not applied to food or certain types of beverages. But if you look at this example, and this is right along with your notes, it says Dahlia had $2.15 in her purse. She wanted to buy a cool new notebook for $2. Now, does she have enough money to purchase the notebook after sales tax is included? And we said in this example that we're assuming that sales tax here is approximately 6%. Okay? Now, what we talked about is what sales tax is pretending that this 10 by 10 grid represents $1. Okay? So this represents $1. Sales tax would be for every dollar that is spent, 6 cents is added. So if I want to shade this in, that would be 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 6 squares would be added for every dollar that is spent. So if we go back to our example here, she has $2.15. She wanted to buy the notebook for $2. Does she have enough? We talked about this method of estimating, okay? If it costs $2, okay, that's $2, we're going to multiply that by the sales tax, which is 6, okay? 2 times 6 is 12. To figure out how much we need to add to the total, we need to divide 12 by 100, which means we would just be moving the decimal 2 places to the left, and that would equal 12 cents. So approximately 12 cents is going to be added to the $2.15 that she has. Or I'm sorry, to the $2 of the total cost of the notebook. So that's $2 plus 12 cents. That's $2.12. So does she have enough money? Sure. She has $2.15. The total came to $2.12 with the cost of the sales tax added. The same situation here. Right along with your notes. Harold found a CD on sale for $5.50. He has $6 in his wallet. Does he have enough money to purchase the CD after sales tax of here is 7%? Okay, let's take a look at what they're giving us here in our problem. So 7% is the sales tax. Does he have enough? Again, I'm going to use this method of estimating what my total cost is going to be. The CD is $5.50. Okay, if this was a typical decimal, and I were to say round to the nearest whole, you would look to the number to the right. It's 5 or greater, so I'm going to go ahead and round $5.50 to $6. Okay, and I'm going to multiply that by my sales tax of 7%. 6 times 7 is 42. I'm going to go ahead and divide that by 100 because percents are out of 100. So that means moving my decimal 2 to the left, which is equal to 42-cent sales tax on the sale. So what I do now is I take my total sales tax and I'm going to add that to the cost of the CD, which is $5.50. So that's $5.50 plus 42 cents That's $5.92. He has $6. So does he have enough? Yes, he has enough. enough money. He has 8 cents left over.